Michael, quick question.
Hey, Olivia. Sure, what is on your mind?
I have a huge problem with English.
Oh, I doubt it is a huge problem. Tell me.
Well, what is the exact difference between these three sentences?
Okay, I'm listening.
I was tired, I did my work, and I had a problem.
Haha, the big three.
Yes, I mean was, did, had.
Let me guess, you are confused.
Exactly. I use them randomly. I just throw them in my sentences and hope for the best.
Yeah, that is a very common problem.
It is so frustrating.
Well, I know the real issue here.
You do? What is it?
You think you have a grammar problem.
Absolutely. My grammar is terrible.
No, listen to this golden rule, Olivia.
Okay, I'm ready.
You don't have a grammar problem. You have a story problem.
A story problem? What does that mean?
It means you are trying to remember rules instead of just telling me your story.
Wow, that makes sense.
Right. Today, I promise you this.
What?
By the end of this lesson, you will tell your daily life story like a native speaker.
Really? Just like that?
Yes, using just those simple words, was, did, and had.
That sounds amazing.
It is. And hey, if you're listening to us right now and you also struggle with was, did, and had,
Oh, they should definitely subscribe.
exactly. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's solve this mystery together.
Awesome. So, where do we start?
First, relax. Take a deep breath.
Okay.
There are no grammar rules today.
Thank God. I hate rules.
Me too. This is not grammar. This is your real life.
My real life. I like that.
So let's talk about yesterday.
Okay, yesterday.
I want you to close your eyes for a second.
All right, my eyes are closed.
Tell me about your day. Let's start with the first word, was.
Okay, was.
I want you to imagine a mirror.
A mirror.
Yes, or a photograph. You look at the photo of yourself yesterday. How did you feel?
Oh, well, yesterday I was tired.
Perfect. I was tired.
Because it is a feeling?
Exactly. Was equals your feeling or your situation.
Ah, I see.
It is not an action. It is just a picture of how you felt.
A picture of how I felt. Was.
Yes. Let's try some real-life examples. Look at the picture of yesterday morning.
I was busy.
Excellent. You were busy. That was your situation.
Yes, I was at work.
Good. I was at work. Your location. Your situation.
Oh, this is easy.
Give me another feeling. Let's talk about stress.
Ah, yes, I was stressed.
Perfect. I was stressed. High stress, heavy work, that is daily life.
Totally. And after work, I was happy.
Of course, because you finished.
Yeah, exactly. I was happy.
So, let's lock this in your mind.
Okay.
Was equals how you felt.
Was equals how I felt. The mirror, the photo.
Absolutely. It is your status.
My status, like a status update on social media.
Wow, yes, that is a brilliant way to think about it.
I was tired. I was busy.
Exactly. Now, open your eyes. Let's move to part 2.
Okay, part 2.
The word is did.
Did. This one confuses me.
Not anymore. Forget the photo. Now imagine a video camera.
A video.
Yes, a video of you moving your hands, moving your body, doing things.
Oh, okay. Action.
Exactly. Did equals action, what you did.
So in my video for yesterday, I did my work.
Good, very good. I did my work. My hands were moving, I was typing.
Yes, did means you accomplished a task. You finished an action. Ah, that makes sense.
Give me another real-life example. Think about your job.
Well, I am a manager, so I did my job.
Perfect. You took action.
What about talking to people?
Try it.
I did a meeting?
Yes, in spoken English, especially in business, people say I did a meeting to mean they completed the action of the meeting.
Oh, wow. I did a meeting.
What else? Did you study yesterday?
Yes, I did my homework.
Excellent. Action completed.
And in the evening, I did exercise.
Perfect. Work, meeting, homework, exercise. What do they all have in common?
They all need energy. They are all actions.
Absolutely. Productivity. You are moving.
So, did equals action.
Yes, write that mental note.
Mental note written. Did equals action.
So far, you have a photo and you have a video.
Yes, was is the photo, did is the video.
Now let's look at the third piece of the puzzle.
The word had.
Exactly. Had.
This one is tricky.
Let's make it simple. Imagine you're wearing an invisible backpack.
A backpack, like for school or traveling?
Yes, whatever you carry inside that backpack is what you had.
Okay, so it is about having things?
Yes, but not just physical things like a phone or a pen. It's also about your experiences.
My experiences?
Yes, what did you carry with you yesterday?
Well, yesterday morning I had a problem.
Nice. I had a problem. You carried that problem in your backpack.
Oh, I like this. Yes, I carried a heavy problem.
Exactly. You experienced it. Had equals what you experienced.
So, had equals experience.
Let's hear some more examples. What else was in your backpack yesterday?
Well, at 2 p.m., I had a meeting.
Perfect. Wait, earlier you said I did a meeting.
Oh no, is one of them wrong?
No, they're both right, but the feeling is different.
Really? Tell me.
If you say I did a meeting, you focus on the action, the work you put in.
Ah, the video camera.
Yes, but if you say I had a meeting, it was an event in your schedule, an experience in your backpack.
Wow, that is so clear. So, I had a meeting on my schedule.
Exactly. What else did you have?
Well, because of the problem, I had a bad day.
I am sorry to hear that, but the sentence is perfect. You experienced a bad day.
I had a bad day.
Did you have free time to relax?
No, I had no time.
Excellent. I had no time. Another experience in your backpack.
Problem, meeting, bad day, no time.
Yes. Notice these are high-frequency words. We use them every single day.
Totally. We always talk about problems and time.
So let's review the mental picture for had.
It is the invisible backpack.
Yes, it means possession, but mostly it means experience.
Had equals experience.
So let's recap the three mental pictures.
Okay, I'm ready.
Number 1, the photograph.
Was, my feeling or situation. I was tired.
Perfect. Number 2, the action video.
Did, my actions. I did my work.
Awesome. Number 3, the backpack.
Had, my experiences. I had a problem.
You are doing incredibly well, Olivia.
Thank you, Michael. I actually feel like I understand it now.
Because you stopped thinking about grammar rules.
True, I'm just thinking about pictures.
You are thinking about your story.
My daily life story.
Exactly, but knowing the pictures is only half the battle.
Uh-oh, what is the other half?
The other half is putting them together without making mistakes.
Ah, blending them into one story.
Yes, we need to mix the photo, the video, and the backpack.
I'm a little nervous. What if I mess up?
Don't worry. In the next part, we will combine them perfectly. Are you ready?
I am ready for it. Let's do it.
All right, Olivia, let's step into the most powerful part of today's lesson.
Ooh, I am excited. What is it?
It is time for the merge.
The merge? Like putting everything together?
Exactly. We are going to combine the photo, the video, and the backpack.
All in one story?
Yes, the story of your daily life. Let's go back to yesterday.
Okay, I am thinking about yesterday again.
I want you to use all 3 words in one natural flow. Don't overthink it.
No grammar rules, just pictures.
Absolutely, just your real life. Start with your feeling.
Yesterday, I was tired.
Great. Now, what was in your backpack?
I had a lot of work.
Perfect. And what was the action? What did you accomplish?
And I did everything.
Boom!
Wow, did I just say that right?
Yes. Let me repeat it back to you. Yesterday, I was tired. I had a lot of work, and I did everything.
That sounds so professional.
It sounds completely natural. You sound like a native speaker.
Really? Just by using those 3 simple words?
Yes, because you didn't force a grammar rule. You told me your story.
I told you my story. I love this.
You painted a picture for me. I felt your tiredness, I saw your heavy workload, and I watched your action.
That is amazing. Visual metaphors really work.
They definitely do. But now we have to enter the danger zone.
Oh no, the danger zone.
Yes, welcome to the error lab.
The error lab sounds serious.
It is where we look at the most common mistakes students make.
Ah, the mistakes I usually make.
Probably. Let's look at the first huge mistake. Are you ready?
I am ready. Hit me.
Someone says, I was due my work.
Oh, wait. I say that sometimes.
A lot of people say it, but let's look at our pictures. Why is it wrong?
Let me think. Was is the photo. Do is an action video.
Exactly. Can you put an action video inside a still photograph?
No, that is impossible. They clash.
Absolutely. You are mixing a feeling with an action.
Ah, I was due is mixing the photo and the video.
Yes. So how do we fix it? If you want to show the action video of your work.
I just used the video word. I did my work.
Perfect. I did my work. Clean and correct.
Wow, when you explain it with pictures, the mistake looks so obvious.
That is the magic of the story method. Let's look at mistake number 2.
Okay, I am listening.
Someone says, I did tired.
I have definitely heard that one before.
Why is I did tired completely wrong?
Well, tired is a feeling. It belongs in the photo.
Yes.
And did is the action video. You can't action a feeling.
Excellent. You cannot physically do tired. It is a status.
So the fix is easy. I just use the photo word.
Which is?
I was tired.
Exactly. I was tired. You fixed it perfectly.
This error lab is actually really fun.
I'm glad you like it. Let's do the third mistake, the trickiest one.
Oh boy. Okay, let's hear it.
Someone says, I had go to work.
I had go to work. That sounds a little weird now.
Let's analyze it with our pictures. What is had?
Had is the invisible backpack, my experiences.
And what is go?
Go is a movement, an action.
Exactly. Can you put the action of going inside a backpack?
No, you can only put experiences or things in the backpack.
Right. So you have 2 ways to fix this.
2 ways? Tell me.
If you want to focus on the pure action of going,
I use the past of go. I went to work.
yes, I went to work. That is perfect.
What is the second way?
If you want to talk about the obligation, the heavy responsibility in your backpack,
Oh, like an experience I must carry?
yes, then you add to. You say, I had to go.
Ah, I had to go. The to makes it an obligation.
Exactly. I had to go to work. It means your backpack was heavy with responsibility.
This is blowing my mind. I went to work is just an action. I had to go to work is a heavy backpack.
You got it. You survived the error lab, Olivia.
Ah, I survived, and I learned a lot.
Now, let's put it to the ultimate test.
The ultimate test, what is that?
A real-life scenario, a completely normal conversation.
Like we are just two friends talking?
Exactly. Imagine it is the end of the day. We meet at a coffee shop.
Okay, I am at the coffee shop. I have my coffee.
I walk in, I sit down, and I ask you a simple question.
I am ready.
Hey, Olivia, how was your day?
Oh, hi, Michael. Well, I was very busy.
Yeah? What happened?
I had 2 long meetings.
Wow, 2 meetings.
Yes, and I did a lot of work.
Sounds super productive. You must be exhausted.
I was, but now I am relaxing.
And cut. Scene over.
How did I do?
Olivia, that was flawless. 100% perfect English.
Really? I didn't even think about the rules.
That is the point. Listen to what you naturally said.
What did I say?
I was very busy. You gave me the photo.
Yes, my situation.
I had 2 meetings. You opened your backpack and showed me your experiences.
My heavy schedule.
You showed me the action video.
Wow, I used all 3 correctly without sweating.
Because there was zero explanation needed. It was pure, natural communication.
I finally feel confident talking about my daily life.
That makes me so happy to hear. Let's do a rapid mental summary to lock this in forever.
Okay, rapid fire, let's go.
When you want to talk about a feeling or a status, you use?
Was the photograph.
Excellent. When you want to talk about taking action and moving, you use?
Did the video camera.
Perfect. When you want to talk about an experience, a problem, or possession, you use?
Had the invisible backpack.
You nailed it. What is the golden phrase for today's lesson?
Oh, I know this. Tell your story, not grammar.
Absolutely beautiful. Tell your story, not grammar.
This changes everything for me, Michael. Thank you.
You are very welcome, Olivia. And now I have a challenge for our listeners.
Oh, yes, it is your turn, guys.
We want to hear your daily life story.
Yes, we want to read it.
Go down to the comments right now, grab your keyboard or your phone.
And write 3 simple sentences.
Exactly, write this. Yesterday, I was,
Tell us your feeling.
I had,
Tell us what was in your backpack.
and I did.
Tell us your action.
We're going to read the comments and reply to as many as we can.
I can't wait to see your stories.
If this visual method helped you today, please do us a huge favor.
Smash that like button.
Totally hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend who struggles with English.
Let's help everyone stop stressing about grammar.
Exactly. Stop worrying about rules and start speaking your life in English.
Start speaking your life in English. I love that.
Thanks for joining me today, Olivia. Great job.
Thank you, Michael. See you next time.
See you, everyone. Keep practicing your story.